Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to cover EezyCollab, and it's another tool I found on AppSumo. Okay, so what it does, it finds for you the best influencers in your niche, initiate outreach, and track profile metrics in one place. So let's say, guys, that some of you are creating a YouTube channel and or have a website or have I don't know, maybe a Shopify store or anything like that, and you want to start promoting your product to the wider audience. Okay, it's nice to have access to the people who actually have the already audience and store. I can actually, do some sort of shout out into your brand. So this tool actually will help you out to reach out to those people, okay? Initiate a conversation and, maybe who knows, maybe start cooperating, okay? So yeah, definitely. I think it's worth it to try it, for somebody who actually has already something in place and wants to start collaboration between to just to reach out to the wider audience. Okay, this is the product in a nutshell. Okay, this is the whole, the sales page on the AppSumo website. Okay, I will leave it with you guys to go already through. Okay, so the most important points here. Okay, so lifetime access to EezyCollab. Okay, on all the plans and features. All future starter tier 1 to 2 or plus tier 3 to 5 plan updates. Okay, any update will happen on this tool. Will you also be getting the updates on it? Okay, if plan name changes, deal will be mapped out to the new plan with accompanying updates. Okay, no codes, no stacking. Okay, just choose the plan that's right for you. Okay, so there will be not like you can go ahead and buy one, two, and then you can stack them together. Either you want to go ahead with one, two, three, 4, 5. Okay, so that's all. You must activate your license within 60 days. Ability to upgrade between 5 license tiers while detail is available. Ability to downgrade between 5 license tiers within the 60 days of purchase. GDPR compliant. Okay, very important for somebody who is actually reaching out to the audience based in Europe. Okay, all future AI model updates. All right, so all the features which are included inside all the plans: AI-powered influencer matching, search for Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and X influencers. All future platform integration supported. All future platforms included bulk email campaigns from EezyCollab domain. Unlock access to user emails. Set your desired results from hashtag or keyword results. Send to emails to yourself. At this point, I want to have just to stop a little bit on and tell more about it. Okay, bulk email campaigns from EezyCollab domain. If this EezyCollab domain, okay, this is a website. This website does not have much of a traffic. However, this domain has some sort of authority. Okay, so basically it means that if you start sending those emails from the EezyCollab domain, basically those emails, they have a better chances to reach out into influencers inbox without being flagged as a spam ones. Okay, so I think that's the one of the features which is quite interesting here on this EezyCollab. Okay, so all the emails, or bulk emails, will be sent out from the EezyCollab domain. Okay, now let's go quickly through the tier pricing. Tier 1, all features above. All those tiers include all the features plus 500 results per month, 200 bulk emails from EasyCollab per month. Okay, under the tier 1, remember it's a lifetime deal. You pay in once off, you don't have to pay a monthly. Then after license 2, it's 1500 results per month, 500 emails. For license 3, 200 for $219. You got 3000 results per month, 1000 bulk emails. Okay, and 3 4 will be for 399, 5000 results, 2500 emails. And if you are a heavy user, $499, and per month you're gonna have 10,000 results and 5000 emails you'll be sent out. Okay, so this is the pricing in a nutshell. Here is the website itself. As I said, it's about 2000 people are visiting this website on a monthly basis. I don't know how accurate that might be. Okay, sometimes those websites are actually putting the stop on those platforms like Web. Okay, so they not actually letting them measure their traffic. Okay, you can do that, if you know how to do it, or if you don't mind, for websites like Web to track your traffic, they leave it open. Okay, so sometimes it's very hard to establish if the up to this point, the traffic wasn't measured because the website didn't allow to do so, to put those crawlers through the main domain, or is it something which they just started off and the traffic is increasing? But look, it's actually increasing heavily. So I understand that actually they might be the reason that they start on the market, heavily start investing in the marketing. They put this deal on the AppSumo, which obviously is getting them some more additional traffic, and they gradually going up and up and up. Okay, plus they have a product of the day, number 4. Okay, they finish in the 4th place on the product of the day on the product hunt. Okay, affiliate intelligent product of the week for marketing. Okay, so for those two categories, they were product of the week on the 3rd place in a category of artificial intelligence, and product of the week on the 2nd place when it comes to marketing. Okay, and altogether product of the day the 4th place. Okay, which is also good. So product hound is a large platform, and I'm pretty sure they also getting some traffic from there. Okay, so now let's go quickly through the website itself. All right, so find the perfect influencers for your niche with AI. There you go. Why most influencers campaigns fail, and there you go. Wrong match. You can find influencers who truly connect with your audience. Overpriced to pay too much for under unclear IG0 SaaS fees, time drain, manual work, still focus from the created content. Okay, so as I said, like if you have some sort of product or offer, service or product to offer, and you want to outreach to some of those influencers who have a large amount of followers so far, and you want to start you want to initial a conversation around the possible collaboration, that tool might actually give you some sort of additional advantage, because it will cut off all the work you have to put into it to find all the right people. Okay, this software basically will reach out to those people. The first and foremost, they will find out for you, and they will reach out. It allows you to reach out via their platform. Here's the pricing if you want to go sign up on a monthly basis. So there you go. For 39, you got this for 500 best imagine result per month, 15 full analysis report, bulk up to 50 millimeters per month. Where here you have it, 500 per month, 200 bulk emails from EezyCollab. Okay, for 49. Okay, and then so here 50 emails. So how? Look at this, so $39 already this AppSumo deal is actually increasing what you gonna get on a monthly basis, even though you pay now once off in comparison to the started off plan. Okay, if you're gonna pay them monthly, okay, and you're getting a quarter of what's offer or what's on offer on the AppSumo. Okay, here you go, 50 emails per month. Here you got 200 emails already you can send. So yeah, I think it's not no brainer that AppSumo deal is quite interesting one. Okay, guys. So this is the pricing features. Okay, AI powered smart search, multi platforms, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, relevance and engagement based on the AI ranking, business account filter, easy to data export, influencer data management, data analytics, outreach tools. Okay, there you go. So let's go and start now. Okay, here is the platform itself. We are inside the platform. We are on a free plan right now. So we got a 50 credits. Okay, let's go quickly through this. What is here on the main page, on the main menu. Here's the search button. Hit search history if you have one in the past. Save list if you find something through the search and you want to save this influencer. It's gonna be here, showing here. Send bulk emails. There we go. Here's the emails you can create. It's everything. It's definitely interesting because you can do some editing. You can add your own copy paste, and then your own templates, and all the informations they are required here. You can definitely do that. And if you want to remove the note, it's very you can remove that. However, it's this EezyCollab logo. Okay, but I don't send two emails to yourself. Send to image. Okay, I don't know. Okay, yeah, definitely. If you start paying for this tool, you will be able to remove the EasyCollab logo here. Okay, so yeah, that's what it is. Full analytics report. Once you start sending, you're obviously gonna receive the reports, who opened it, who reply to it, and so on and so forth. That's gonna be visible here under the reports tab. But let's go quickly and do some quick research. Okay, so here's here's my website. Sorry, here's my YouTube channel. Okay, and I'm gonna use this one and I'm gonna paste it here and I do the YouTube, all right? So, sorry, I'm gonna do the YouTube, many different languages here available, and let's go and see what will show up for us. Okay, so here you go. Targeting tech enthusiasts and professional age 18 to 45, interesting advancement and digital trends. Perfect. Yeah, next step, customize tax to research. So what tax we want to use it here? So let's say that new. Okay, so let's go and customize it here. Okay, so that's this. Okay, select target okay, countries. Okay, so let's say that we want to do United States. All right. Do we have United States? We must have United States. Perfect. We want to also United Kingdom, maybe Canada, Canada, Australia, and in New Zealand. Okay, perfect. Yep. All right, so filter by follower content count. Okay, so we got a few of those, like 10,000. You can go do 15,000 and everything. Like, let's say that we want between uh, up to 50,000. Okay, as an email, yes, please, because if you want subscribers only. Okay, so you have this option if you start paying for it. Okay, search with AI. So the AI now is searching this platforms out there, okay, and will be uh, showing me in a minute, okay, what type of influencer, who is the exact influencer I should be reaching out to. If you are, for example, I don't know, if I want to promote my channel, right? So I don't have any products to say. It's sort of like I don't have any like Shopify store or anything like that. So I don't have any saying like, look guys, look at my store. But for example, I want to start promoting my YouTube channel, and I want to use, just find some influencers who be interested in collaborating with me, and they will be doing some shout out into and just saying, look at this video, the newest video from AIPI, and look, it's a great video or something like that. It does those type of collaboration would be nice to see. Just to bring additional traffic into my channel. So okay, so 5 minutes left. I will put this video on hold, and I will come back to you once this is ready. Okay, so the search is being completed. Okay, here are some results. I've been presented with some of the list of the influencers which they are most suitable for my brand, right, according to EezyCollab. Okay, some of those peoples already have a large amount of the followers. For example, like this fella here, he's got 42,000 people following his following his profile, and here on the AI Hustle, 46,000, 24 5,000, 20,000. So yeah, it's all there, like and there's 5 pages of those founds for those influencers for me. So I can definitely, if I had a paid plan, I can even have an email addresses available, so then I can go and ahead and start sending the bulk emails and reach out to those people and proposing the collaboration. But the thing is, that at the moment I just want to show you how this search has been completed, what the tool is about. I'll be leaving the link to this tool inside the description of this video. If you enjoy this, please hit the like button, and also if you can subscribe to my channel, we much appreciate. Thank you very much for watching.